My name is Kumanan Tanikachalam. I am the employer liaison at Achēv Brampton South location. Part of my job is to connect my job-seeking clients with employers so that they can find meaningful long-term permanent employment. And Maple Lodge Farms and Achēv has been working together for almost about 7 years now, and we have helped organize several on-site exclusive hiring events for them, and they must have hired over 50 people through us. All of those hires were without any incentives. This helped us, our money go farther than what it is actually needed. That way it was an excellent working relationship. During the pandemic also we continued the relationship with them, and one thing which was stood out during the pandemic was they were organizing shuttle bus services right from a central location in Brampton to their facility off of Steeles Avenue West. This goes that they are committed to their employee. I also heard that they are still continuing with the services with the shuttle bus services, which shows their commitment very much. Not only is it part of their extension of benefits, they also provide us with lots of different professional positions too, which helps some of our new Canadian clients who've been unemployed for a long time, and helps them get into their career of choice with a very decent pay rate and in a very good corporate organization. And that makes them happy, it makes us happy as well. With Maple Lodge Farms, the best takeaway for us is not only do they take unexperienced people, but they also train them and retain them on the job, which is the best takeaway that we need in our kind of employment services.
My name is Joy Dimayuga. I'm the Talent Acquisition Manager from Maple Lodge Farms. Our team is responsible for sourcing and recruitment of talent from frontline to professional level roles at the company. Our aim is to find the best diverse talent that meets the requirements of our jobs. Achēv and Maple Lodge Farms have been partners for more than 7 years now, and we continue to engage with them in various ways, be it regarding our current hiring needs, free job fairs, job postings, and I remember even during the pandemic, we had a number of virtual hiring events with them. They've been able to connect us with a pool of diverse local job seekers. We have hired over 50 employees all throughout the years. Achēv has been one of our strong employment services partners, and we are incredibly grateful for the support that they have extended to us to date. Our aligned values in hard work, honesty, and never losing sight of where we came from is something that we will continue to uphold with Achēv.